the way that we do Qigong that very close to meditation. So when we do meditating, some of you know how to practice mindfulness and meditation. When you breathe in and out with your nostril, your nose, and you feel your abdomen rising and falling, and your body feel very easy to relax, and you don't need to pay more attention by your mouth moving, right? So breathe in by your nose and breathe out at the same time with your nose is the best way for Qigong meditation. To practice Qigong in that way, naturally breathing in by your nose, breathing out also by your nose. So try to breathe in and out with me. Inhale, exhale. You feel naturally the air come into your nose, right? And the air come out with your nose. The out breath a little bit longer than your in breath. That is a natural way. But also you feel your abdomen rising and falling. So when you do Qigong, you have a tendency to come back to your body, to feel relaxed, to feel rested. So the energy about your dantian area, your abdomen right here, where you want to focus. So when you cultivate the energy around your abdomen, the dantian area, that is the good way for you to breathe in and out with your nose, with your nostril. Because when you breathe in and breathe out, that is natural way every day we do, right? When you do walking, when you do sleeping, when you do sitting, we always breathe by our nose, naturally like that. So let us do like this. Inhale, exhale. Feel your abdomen rising. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. When you breathe in, you feel your abdomen, your belly expanding, bigger, and have more space down here, right? When you breathe out, you feel like your abdomen, your belly kind of release and soften, drop down. The more you do Qigong, the more you feel the energy from the center of your body, your heart, your lungs, and your abdomen, dantian area, about this area. So that's why when you breathe in and out by your nose, naturally your mind relax and your brains will relax too. You don't need to think anything. You just observe the air coming in and coming out. The air coming through your nose, coming down to your chest, and then your lungs and your abdomen, your belly expanding, right? When you breathe it out, you drop your abdomen and your air come out to your nose and release air out. That is very natural way.